Hey guys, what's up? Kit here. Today I'm just going to show you how I create these awesome glittery sort of peachy pinky vibes leopard nails. So first I'm just going to spritz a bit of alcohol on a little cotton pad here, and I've already buffed away the top layer of my nail, so I'm just wiping that over just to sort of dehydrate it so the gel nail polish will stick properly. And all the products I'm using today are vegan, cruelty-free. So I'm starting off with my foundation coat. Honestly, just the thinnest layer. If you put too much, it will get really sticky and gloopy, and we don't want that. And you don't want to cure this layer, just letting you guys know if you are new to gel polishes. So you'll only cure it after you do the structure gel, which comes next, so step 2. So I've got our Gelish Structure Gel. So this is what's going to sort of beef up the nails and give it that, how do I describe it? Like, it'll make the nails thicker. So like you apply acrylic or something on top of the nails. I did 2 layers of this. You can do as many as you want or as thick as you want your nails. And I cure this 90 seconds between each layer. And after you cure each layer, you'll want to wipe it down again with more alcohol just so it doesn't get too sticky and you have a nice smooth base to work with. So now that we've got our structure gel on, I'm going to be mixing the Gelish Top Coat. I'm going to be mixing it in with one of my new Opallac gel polishes. So the one I picked is like a peachy sort of polish. I tried to do this so it will create like a jelly nail effect because I don't have any jelly polishes yet. But I ended up putting too many layers, so the color was too dark. So I think I should have stopped at 2 coats, but I went on for 3. So I feel like once the color cures, it does go a little bit darker than it is before you cure it. So I'm just mixing up my color here. And I'm painting it on with a synthetic brush. So this one here I just got from a local art shop for a couple dollars. It's Taklon bristles, or nylon will work as well. You don't want to use animal hair bristles using polishes because I feel like they'll absorb too much product, especially with wet polishes. I know some nail salons will use the big like mink fur brushes at the end to sort of dust off the powder residue, but you definitely don't want to use those ones like with any wet polishes. So I'm just doing my second layer as you see here. And I'm letting these polishes cure for about 60 seconds between each one. And I'm going to leave them a little bit sticky, so I don't want to cure them all the way, because I'm going to brush over a tiny bit of glitter. So this one's from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, in the color Pink Sapphire. And I just use like a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush just to pack it on. And after I pack on my glitter, I quick cure it for another 30 seconds. And then after that quick cure, I'm gonna add another top coat. I actually do 2 top coats because I feel like when I file the glitter to get it smooth, I lose a lot of the polish. So I feel like it's always safer to do 2, or even 3 if you want, honestly. If you can be bothered to go in with a structure gel over the top, that's even better as well, but you need to cure it for the full 90 seconds. So this is the Gelish Top Coat again, and you can see this is just the first layer, but I did 2 layers of this one. And I'll cure it for 90 seconds. So I'm just wiping over the nail again with a bit of alcohol just to get the stickiness off of it. And I'm gonna wash my hands really quick just to make sure there's no residue on before I start to file them down. The reason I file my nails after I have the glitter sort of encapsulated inside is because sometimes the glitter can create texture, so it can feel a bit like bumpy or lumpy, and it really, personal pet peeve of mine, I don't like to feel like scratchy nails. I like really smooth, sort of sleek and polished nails, so that's why when you're filing them, they're gonna get really like smooth as you can. So just filing away. I'm gonna speed this up so we can snap through to the next step. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wash now, but you especially want to make sure you get any powder or dust from underneath, because if you go in with any polish over the top, it's going to sort of get stuck on there, and that's not a good look. So today I was inspired by the packaging of this Marc Jacobs lipstick to create some funky leopard spots. When you're doing like realistic animal print, I always like to have a reference photo, so that's why I've got my little lipstick case here, so I can look at that. And I'm going in with another Opallac polish, so this one's like a nice pastel pink color. And I've done between like 3.5 to like 2.5 spots on each nail. I haven't really planned it out in any particular way, just the smaller nails I put less spots. And like my big thumbnail I did like, couldn't quite fit 4 on there, but close enough. And I'm gonna do like a little love heart shape on the tip just for something different, and I'll leave one nail on each hand sort of shimmer, so I'm not going to add any spots on that nail, just like a sort of like accent. And I quick cure that for 30 seconds before I go in with my next coat. And I've just switched to the other hand now. Okay, so now we've cured our polishes. I've done a full cure of 90 seconds for each hand. I'm gonna go in with the Sparitual Polish Native Rock. Oop, got a little hair on there. So this one is not a gel polish, so I'm just gonna use the thinnest layer because we don't wanna cause our gel polishes to peel or crack. So just use the tiniest bit, and it should be fine anyways because I'm just gonna outline the spots with it. I was contemplating doing black, but like, I don't know, I don't really wear a lot of black. It's not really my style. I like softer sort of pastels, but you can do any color you want. And I'm just adding 2 or 3 little dots in between my bigger spots on each nail, so just with the sort of chocolatey gray color, just to add some like interest to the nail. This isn't a necessary step, but even if you look at the like a normal leopard spots, you'll see there's some just little black spots in between. And I'm just going in with a bit more of the pink because I think I touched that one, so just touching it up. And then I cure that for 60 seconds. Here's what we've got so far. Looking fresh, so cute. Beautiful. So now I'm going to do 2 layers of Gelish Top Coat just to seal everything in and give like a nice sort of shine to the nails as well. This is going to make the glitters especially like light the heck up when the light hits them. It's so nice, oh my god. Like if you do glitter nails without hitting it with a top coat, man, you are wasting your hard work, oh my god. Like a top coat, it's such an easy step just to make them glitters like bam, shine, oh my god. So good. And I'm just gonna insert a few photos so you can see the finished product after I've added on some cuticle oil because I forgot in the video. But hope you guys enjoy. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Bye! And see you next time.